Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. Today guys, we're gonna be making mini pineapple upside down cakes. You know, we're working on recipes on a budget. So with this recipe, we're gonna need a classic yellow cake mix. I'm using Baker's Corner. I prefer Dyke & Heinz, but guys, this is what I have in my pantry. Pineapple flavoring essence, melted butter, maraschino cherries, canola oil, eggs, brown sugar, pineapple tidbits, and pineapple juice. First things first, spoon melted butter into 12 greased muffin cups. I have the cherries cut in half. What I'll do, I'll take the cut side down and place it in the middle of the muffin cup, just like so guys. Next, I'm gonna divide the apple tidbits, just like so guys. Just put them around the cherry. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of brown sugar on top of the pineapple tidbits. The other way, you can combine the brown sugar and butter until blended, then spoon into the greased muffin cups. Even this way it works just fine. If you like the video so far, please give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe. Share it with your friends and your family, guys. Set this aside. In a medium bowl, I'm gonna add cake mix along with 3 eggs, canola oil, 1 teaspoon pineapple essence, and 1 cup pineapple juice. Beat on low for 30 seconds. Now I'm gonna beat on medium heat for 2 minutes. Spoon over the batter on the cupcakes. Make sure guys, you just make it like 3/4 full, don't fill it up. Bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 18 to 22 minutes. Okay, we just removed the cupcakes. Now we're gonna check the doneness. set toothpick in the middle of the cupcake, and if it comes clean like this, guys, voila, your cupcakes are done. I'm gonna let them cool for 5 minutes, then I'm gonna embed them into a cooling rack. There you have it, guys. These mini cakes are a version of your favorite cake with butter, sugar, pineapple essence, pineapple juice, brown sugar. Guys, they are also good warm or at room temperature. Taste test. Incredible delicious. The pineapple, the cherry, brown sugar. Guys, the cake is so moist and fluffy. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.